Embrace tranquility and wellness at the top yoga retreats in the USA. In this video, we'll let you know of the top yoga retreats which will help you get away and rejuvenate. Also, they offer complete escapes and the perfect opportunity to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with your inner self. Immerse yourself in yoga vacations and experience the serenity of these serene retreats. Unwind in nature's bliss. Menla Phoenicia, New York. Experience healing practices, yoga retreats, and reconnect with nature. Discover yourself amidst nature's beauty. Join our yoga retreats for rejuvenation and inner peace. Breathe in the mountain air, leaving behind city stress. Experience healing practices that bring balance to your spirit at Menla. Uncover ancient wisdom and enhance your well-being through traditional techniques. Menla offers nature-based experiences that reconnect you with Mother Earth. Immerse yourself in lush forests or find serenity by meditating beside gentle streams. Be captivated by the awe-inspiring beauty that surrounds us. Find inner peace by the beach. Blissful Shores Retreat. Indulge in the ultimate beachfront yoga retreat, located along the pristine coastline. Immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of the waves. As you flow through invigorating yoga sessions on the sandy shores, find peace and serenity while basking in the sun, allowing the ocean breeze to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Whether you seek solace from daily pressures or an opportunity for personal growth, it is here to provide a peaceful sanctuary where rejuvenation becomes reality. Let them be your refuge from bustling city life. Let us inspire you towards a path of inner peace and wellness. Explore mindfulness in a mountain hideaway. Shambhala Mountain Center, Red Feather Lakes, Colorado. Nestled in the picturesque Red Feather Lakes of Colorado, this mountain retreat center is not just a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a haven for those seeking mindfulness, tranquility, and inner peace. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of majestic mountains, surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. At Shambhala Mountain Center, you can immerse yourself in the practice of yoga and meditation amidst stunning natural beauty. It offers a perfect sanctuary for individuals looking to reconnect with themselves and find solace in the stillness. Dive into Transformational Yoga, Feathered Pipe Ranch, Helena, Montana. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth through their exceptional Transformational Yoga Retreat program. Feathered Pipe Ranch offers an immersive experience that goes beyond traditional yoga practices. Their retreats are designed to uplift your mind, body, and spirit through a combination of yoga classes, workshops, and activities focused on personal growth. Awaken to natural beauty and find peace at Feathered Pipe Ranch. Embrace transformative yoga sessions led by experts. Experience personal growth through workshops and activities that enhance your journey of self-discovery. Experience blissful luxury. Sedona Mago Retreat, Sedona, Arizona. A luxurious spa and wellness resort nestled in the breathtaking landscapes of Sedona, Arizona. This hidden gem offers an unparalleled experience that combines opulence with tranquility. Indulge in a haven of well-being at Sedona Mago Retreat. Pamper your body and soul with luxurious amenities and world-class spa treatments. Unforgettable escape awaits you. Don't forget to subscribe. Discover the transformative power of yoga at Sedona Mago Retreat. With experienced instructors and tailored programs for all levels, embark on a journey of self-discovery and deepen your practice. It's an experience for everyone to enjoy. Experience the beauty of Sedona. Rejuvenate your soul with guided meditation and peaceful walks. Indulge in delicious cuisine made with locally sourced ingredients that nourish both body and taste buds. Connect with your inner self at a silent retreat. Omega Institute, Rhinebeck, New York. Imagine a serene sanctuary, guiding you to inner reflection and personal growth. Welcome to Omega Institute in Rhinebeck, NYA haven for solace and self-discovery. Escape to Omega Institute for a transformative retreat. Through silence and yoga, discover inner clarity amidst serene surroundings. Silent retreats offer a sacred space for self-reflection and discovery. Without distractions, your thoughts become crystal clear, revealing profound insights. Through mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga, you'll nurture deep presence and awareness that lasts long after Omega. Start your mornings with energizing yoga poses that awaken your body and mind. Throughout the day, find moments of tranquility through guided meditations that help you explore your inner consciousness. At Omega Institute's Silent Retreat, let go of old patterns and beliefs. Embrace the sacred silence for healing, growth, and self-discovery. Connect with your intuition as clarity emerges from within. Enhance well-being at a holistic wellness center, Kripalu Center for Yoga and Health, Stockbridge, Massachusetts. They blend ancient practices with modern techniques to enhance your well-being. Visit our wellness center for a holistic experience that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Our practices, from yoga to Ayurvedic treatments, promote balance and harmony uniquely for you. Discover Ayurveda, an ancient system promoting balance and self-care. Their skilled practitioners offer personalized treatments to restore vitality and achieve optimal health. Embrace this transformative journey today. For those seeking alternative healing modalities, their acupuncture services offer a gentle yet powerful way to rebalance your energy flow. Let our licensed acupuncturists stimulate specific points on your body to promote healing and alleviate various ailments. Discover a range of workshops and classes that will deepen your knowledge of holistic wellness. From mindfulness meditation to nutrition, empower yourself with practices that enhance your daily life. Find harmony in a yoga ashram. Sivananda Ashram Yoga Farm, Grass Valley, California. Embark on a transformative journey to find harmony and inner peace at the Sivananda Ashram Yoga Farm in Grass Valley, California. This traditional yoga ashram offers immersive yoga retreats, nourishing vegetarian meals, and profound spiritual teachings. At the Sivananda Ashram Yoga Farm, you will be enveloped in an atmosphere of serenity and tranquility. The ashram provides a sacred space where you can disconnect from the chaos of everyday life and reconnect with your true self through the practice of yoga. Immerse yourself in daily yoga classes led by experienced teachers who will guide you through asanas, postures, pranayama, breathing exercises, and meditation. These practices are designed to strengthen your body, calm your mind, and awaken your spiritual potential. Nourish your body with wholesome vegetarian meals prepared with love and mindfulness. Each bite is a reminder of the interconnectedness between our physical well-being and the choices we make for our sustenance. Don't forget to subscribe. Rejuvenate in the Desert Oasis, Desert Bliss Retreat. A unique yoga retreat nestled in the heart of the USA's breathtaking desert landscape. Immerse yourself in the stillness of the surroundings as you embrace rejuvenating yoga sessions amidst the vast expanse of golden dunes. Find solace and inner peace as you connect with nature and recharge your mind, body, and soul in this desert sanctuary. Through spiritual teachings rooted in ancient wisdom, you will gain insights into living a balanced and meaningful life. Discover profound truths that can guide you towards personal growth, self-realization, and a deeper understanding of yourself and others. Experience serenity in a retreat center, Art of Living Retreat Center, Boone, North Carolina. Welcome to the Art of Living Retreat Center, a sanctuary nestled in the serene landscapes of Boone, North Carolina. Here, you can embark on a transformative journey and experience true serenity. Our dedicated retreat center is designed to provide you with an oasis of tranquility. Whether you are seeking inner peace, physical rejuvenation, or spiritual growth, they offer a range of yoga classes and workshops to cater to your unique needs. Immerse yourself in various styles of yoga classes led by experienced instructors who will guide you through each pose with mindfulness and grace. From Hatha to Vinyasa, Kundalini to restorative yoga, our diverse offerings ensure that there is something for everyone. In addition to yoga, our retreat center hosts workshops that delve deeper into the art of living. Explore meditation techniques to calm the mind and find inner clarity. Engage in wellness sessions that promote holistic healing for your body and soul. Discover ancient wisdom through insightful talks and discussions led by renowned experts. Surrounded by nature's beauty, our retreat center provides the perfect backdrop for your journey towards self-discovery. Take leisurely walks amidst lush greenery or find solace in quiet contemplation at our peaceful meditation gardens. At the Art of Living Retreat Center, we believe that every individual deserves moments of stillness and reflection in their lives. Allow us to be your haven as you embark on a path towards serenity and self-transformation. Esalen Institute, Big Sur, California. Located on the picturesque cliffs of Big Sur, Esalen Institute offers a wide range of yoga retreats, workshops, and healing practices, providing a serene and transformative experience. The Esalen Institute in Big Sur, California is simply incredible. Immerse yourself in transformative experiences surrounded by nature's beauty. Escape to Esalen Institute and discover a serene haven of transformative beauty. Rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul with yoga retreats, healing practices, and workshops. Embrace self-discovery in a tranquil atmosphere for lasting memories. Mount Madonna Center, Watsonville, California, set amidst beautiful redwood forests. Mount Madonna Center provides a serene environment for yoga retreats, meditation, and personal reflection, promoting physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Welcome to Mount Madonna Center in Watsonville, California. Get ready to immerse yourself in the tranquility and beauty of our stunning redwood forests. Their center offers the perfect setting for yoga retreats, meditation, and personal reflection. At Mount Madonna Center, they nurture your mind, body, and soul. Their serene setting offers the perfect backdrop for your journey of relaxation and self-discovery. Wake up to the beauty of nature and find inner peace through yoga and meditation amidst majestic trees. At Mount Madonna Center, where you'll discover balance and reconnect with yourself. Their team is here to support you on this transformative journey, with rejuvenating classes and nourishing organic meals. Experience nature's beauty and find your inner peace. It's time to take a step back from the busyness of life and invest in yourself. Embrace this opportunity for growth and renewal as you embark on a journey towards physical vitality, mental clarity, and spiritual serenity. They can't wait to welcome you here. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and most important for sharing your opinion.